Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize Wix templates. Wix templates are templates basically set up for you to create different websites. They're basically default templates that Wix have given you in order to make it an easy process. First, to find a template, all you need to do is click on Design Site. From here, click Pick a Template. Now you can see all the different templates that Wix has to offer. When you hover over the templates, you'll see that there's an edit button. So find a template that you like. I will pick this one, for example, and then click on edit. Once you click on edit, you'll be brought to the Wix editor page. From here, you can use AI to basically help with whatever you're trying to sell. Now you've got the template and you can see all the different things that you can do to change the template. For example, you can see I can select on different sections and edit them how I like. I can click on quick edit. I can change the background. I can change the layouts, manage the products, etc. And that's basically it. I would recommend obviously you going through all of these different sections, understanding how everything works, and then go from there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.